stay in Lego City. Just like they're refreshing.
Hey, cop!
Yeah, what's up?
There is a guy on the loose, and
And
he's a prisoner.
did you break out or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah, sure.
Can you go in the police station and press a button? It will give you like some police clothes and help me out to get
I
this?
don't need a police.
Okay, knock him down with your thing. Knock him down and then drop on
'cause I
him
have
and
an
arrest
axe.
him. I mean, I could arrest him.
Yeah.
And then bring him back to jail. He will stay forever. Let's go.
Hey, I'll bring my bro here, okay?
Sure, okay.
Stay here.
Oh, man. It's a nice chilling day, actually.
Hey, cop!
I heard.
Okay. Okay. So we gotta go find this idiot.
Yeah, okay, let's go find this idiot. We knock him down, and I arrest him, and he goes to jail.
Okay.
Okay, no.
1 minute later. Well, I got my gun out and I'm trying to shoot these guys. Name Mason.